Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Willard, and today I will be teaching you how to integrate Python, VS Code, Git, and GitHub. So most people want to go ahead and put stuff on their GitHub for others to see. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you can create one. I'll probably post another video on how you can set it up. But for now, I'm assuming you already know some programming languages, and I guess you have already created some software programs that you might want to share with others and get their input on it. And if you want to work on a team, you can also work on a team on GitHub, and you'll be able to put forth your code and help each other working out on a project. All right, so let's start. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and go to our GitHub account. I'll be using my account. And then, so what we do is you go to your GitHub, if you already have it. And then I have mine here. And then what I'm going to do is go here and then go where it says your repositories. And I already have this one, so I'll probably create another one just for this tutorial. So here what you do is you create a new repository, and we're going to name this one Hello World, because this is what we're going to be doing. We want to do a simple software. We're going to be printing Hello World to the screen, and then I'll be showing you how to do that with Python as well. It's pretty easy, and you want to do public. If you want to put the description of what you're going to be doing, you can put it there. You can add a README file. The README file does allow you to actually explain what the code does, and to whoever goes to your repository and want to learn something, you can. This is where you put the instructions and the description as well. So let's create the repository. So once we create a repository, this is how it will be looking like. There's nothing. This is the README file. This one is showing right down here. And this is the only thing that we added to this repository. So what you want to do, you want to come here, click this button, and then you want to copy this URL. You can just copy here if you want, or you can just copy by clicking this clipboard. After you do that, you want to go to your VS Code. And then mine is right here. So I'll open a new window. Make sure you open a new window. Come here, and then what we want to do is we want to click the Explorer, and then we want to clone the repository. Let's give it a minute for it to load. So you click clone repository, put the URL, paste it here, and then enter. So what you're trying to do is you want to copy everything from the GitHub account to somewhere inside your computer. So for this one, I will create a folder and name it Hello World, just like that. So now this is going to be our repository location. So what we have online on our GitHub account, we're copying it to our computer, to our hard drive. So what you do, it will prompt you to do something here. So you want to add in or open in a new window. And then everything that we had, remember we had the README file on the GitHub account, this one right here. So it came to your VS Code now. It's on your computer now. So what we want to do is we want to add a Python file. So to do that, first we want to give it a name. So for this one, it's Hello World. We can just say hello and then .py. That tells that this file is going to be a Python file. You want to enter. And then for the Python, like I said, we're going to be doing a simple Python program. We want to print hello world. So in order to do that, Python language uses a print statement and then brackets, and then inside the brackets we want to put quotation marks, and then we print hello world. So in order for us to actually print this on the terminal, we click this button, or we click the run button. So we click this one, and then the terminal opens. Voila, we have our hello world printed. Let's just add an exclamation mark and run it again. There we go. So we have our hello world printed there. So now what we're gonna do is, if you already noticed, we have this U on this file. This is just saying, hey, this is something new. It's not on our repository. You're adding stuff here. So we want to make sure that this also goes online. So what we do is we come here, it will give you this notification. And then what you do is you click it and then come here. So you want to use this part, this plus sign to edit, or you can just come here and right click and then stage all changes. So this is changed on our computer. And then what you do is you say, you want to put the description of what you've done, added a Python file, right? So, and then you click this, and then in order to actually have it go on to the GitHub, you want to pull it and push. So you pull and push. This default option sync is the one that we want to use. So you click it. Then yes, you want to push and pull commits 2 and 4. Exactly, that's what we want to do. Now you let it run for a few seconds, and then now you can go to your repository. Remember, this is what it looks like right now. And now, because I've already done the process, we want to refresh the page, and now we should have a hello Python file. So let's open it. Remember, this is the comment that we added. And then let's open it right there, as you can see. So if somebody comes to your repository, they'll be able to check it out. So this is just the process on how you do it. And as you can see, the README file is still here. I'll teach you how to work on the README file on a different video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye-bye.